the kitchen sink. It's a little experiment called Does It Sink or Does It Float? So here I have a pot of water. And we're going to see if some things sink or float in the pot of water. So let's start with this one. I'm going to sit down here. Here's the things I have for us to try. They're just a couple things I got from around the house that I thought would be interesting to check out. Can you see that? Hope you can. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. What shall we choose? How about this highlighter marker? And I just have a pot of water here that we can use. So let's see. Do we think the marker will sink or float? Okay, it is floating. That's a float. Let's try something else. How about this pen? Up. Floating. I have just a small little comb here. Can you guys see that? Let's see if it sinks or floats. Oh, it's floating. What about this apple? Let's try it. Weighs a lot. Let's see, does it sink or float? Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? It's floating. See? It's pretty heavy. I thought it might sink. Let's try one of your favorite snacks. It's called string cheese. It's in a plastic paper. Let's see. Does it sink or float? We'll try now. It sinks. Look at that. Okay. What about this carrot? I know a bunch of you have snacks with carrots in them. It's a raw carrot. Let's try. The carrot sunk, but the apple floated. Okay. Well, now let's try a pencil. Just a regular pencil. The pencil's floating. And last but not least, I have a Q-tip. You'll probably get your ears cleaned out with this. Let's see if it sinks or floats. It doesn't weigh very much. What do you guys think is going to happen? It's floating. Interesting.